video we filmed with this car, we went ahead and took all the BMW stuff out of there, put in a big 6.0 along with the T56 transmission. Look, my outfit. You know, they came with the car.
Honestly, the boots make it. What's the saying?
Boot scoot boogie. Anyways, we put a 6.0 in here. We made it all fit. We put it all in there. The car started, but it had a lot of problems. The whole belt came off.
He got a trophy.
The whole belt came off the car. In this video, we fixed all the problems, did a couple things to make it look a lot more better and to make it a little bit faster. This car currently, there's a lot of liquids leaking. It kind of looks like trash under here. So the first mod we're starting off with is this intake right here. Now it doesn't look great. It was made in a shed. Little draw action. So we got our little handy dandy shed built intake on there. So that way no more rocks, no more water.
All them juices from them ladies ain't gonna get sucked up in there.
So the next thing is we're gonna go ahead and throw on the DME cover.
So we're making this look like a BMW again. We're gonna put the cover back on.
Yeah, so we're putting the stock DME cover so no one could know it's LS swap. I mean, there's no way they would be able to tell, ever.
You're gonna have no clue.
We found a cow. It's gonna do a lot better job at hiding all this ugly non-BMW shit. So it's pretty much just gonna go right here. It needs a little, it looks like someone was, so.
Look, the way you dress, you wanna know what we call you from where I'm from?
What?
One of them rednecks. Did a little fight down and now I'm doing. Oh, he ain't playing.
That thing looking all right now. We have a bunch of different options here. Travis, you let me know which one you would like to go with. N54, known for their reliability, just like LS. B58, S55.
Man, that one.
This one?
Yeah. Check me out.
It's the most revealing one. I mean, there's no hiding. There's no hiding it.
It's a S65.
It's a what?
S65.
That's what we're going with right there. You guys think they'll have any idea that this is an LS? There's no shot. There's absolutely no shot. You hate filling up on gas. I hate filling up on gas. That's why I've been using this new app called Upside that saves you money per gallon of gas that you get. So if you go in here, there's a bunch of different restaurants and gas stations where you can earn money back. Where are we at? Exxon, right there, 37 cents back per gallon. So I'm gonna go ahead, fill up the F80. Hey man, you know about Upside? You know about Upside?
How it work, yo?
We're getting gas right now.
Yeah.
We're getting 37 cents back per gallon. That fill up right here.
Oh yeah, what I gotta do?
Gotta get the Upside app.
Oh, Upside app?
Yeah, you get money back.
I'm gonna check it out.
All right.
Annually, that shit probably be all right.
Yo, that's what I'm saying. Make some bread on there. Gotta look out for my people. F80 is filled up with 93. Now all we gotta do to get our cash back rewards is say, yes, we want a receipt right there. So we're at this Exxon, like I said, and then all you gotta do is just hit upload receipt. Oh no, get the receipt. It's a little windy, folks. Yeah. And just like that, you're done. It's gonna take about 2 to 4 business days for our cash back to hit. And this is not rewards points, this is actual hard-earned cash that you can transfer to your bank account or go get like a Burger King gift card. Take your old lady out to eat or something. There's even some Upside earners making as much as $300 back every single month on this. So make sure to click the link in the description to download the free Upside app and use code Wyatt to get an extra 25 cents back for every gallon on your first tank of gas. All right, our whole engine bay is looking like a BMW now, so we can fit it a little more. Now, we have came to the group conclusion, this is not just my vote here, that black is whack.
Oh, hey,
no, hold, the interior. The black interior is whack.
Oh.
You know, so my Carhartt hat, what color is this?
Brown.
So we got brown interior to match my hat.
Nice.
We got a killer deal on Facebook. Everything, for the most part, is in good shape, except for whoever was riding back passenger was having a hell of a time. Like, Travis, dude, why do you still have this? I told you to throw them away after the last video. What are you, hooked now?
No, that's
I gotta send you an AA meeting?
No, that's the only one.
A GG meeting?
Let me see.
No.
Cool.
No, you're cut off. And who drank all this alcohol? in there. You don't see saddle brown a lot on these cars. I honestly think the brown looks pretty cool, and it's really fitting for Travis because he doesn't get into a lot of brown. So this would be,
Right.
He gets into brown every day when he gets in his car now. So we also went ahead and threw on a brand new forged carbon e-brake to match the shifter and this little e-brake boot from Webby's. The interior just is missing one crucial piece, but it does have working cup holders.
Oh yeah.
It does have working cup holders.
They work great.
One like and I'll destroy this. As you can tell, Travis has been driving the balls off of this car. It's leaking oil, and pretty much every single fluid that's in the car. So it's all over the exhaust. The first thing that we need to do is the drive shaft was made an inch too long. As you can see, it's leaking that red. So the drive shaft is sticking too far into the input shaft, which is not good. Came back from Baltimore. Our drive shaft is now shortened up by an inch. So all the way up here where the previous problem was, where it was leaking because it was too close, now we should be a-okay. Travis threw a new seal in there. Hopefully we have no more weird red liquids. Now that we know it's $200 to get an inch taken off the drive shaft, I need to get a quote to see how much it is to get a couple inches gained.
For what car?
Like a 2001 white male.
Oh, okay.
That car.
That might be a little more than 200.
Now the next problem is the exhaust. Looks like,
looks good.
Looks great. So we got a bunch of different pipes from Amazon, along with the Valvetronic mufflers. We have 2 of these, so we can shut this V8 up a little bit when we need to. And obviously this is not a full kit, so we have a lot of welding, a lot of protracting going on. And it all starts from right here, and we have to somehow make it go all the way to the back. And hopefully you brought the pipe stretcher, right?
I got one at the house, one in the car.
Yeah.
I got a mobile one too.
It is still ain't working.
Nice.
We took one of the 180 fittings that we had on Amazon, cut it in half, and then we kind of had these 2 situations going on up here, and then straight off the muffler is gonna be the exhaust tip. That's gonna be for this side. Still have no fucking idea how we're gonna do the other side, but that's $40 an hour.
Let me check.
Sign me up.
Let me check it. You went by 18, cuz.
We have a serious stand job going on this exhaust. We have a leaf blower holding up the back. We have an Amazon package and a bunch of 2x4s holding this whole thing up. So I'm about to weld this together. As you can tell right here, I'm a skilled professional at what I do.
It looks like shit, dude.
No, this one. That was me. I didn't. No, what?
Nothing.
I did that one. Look at that. If you're watching this home and you're sitting down, stand up right now and give me a round of applause. All right, Maryland's greatest welder has just finished up.
Oh, dude, bro.
What?
This shit looks terrible. It looks like ass.
Well, it's hard to see in there.
What do you mean it's hard to see in there?
I close my eyes. It's bad if you look at it, so I was
When the
closing my
helmet's
eyes.
off. When the helmet's off.
What you know about that tip fitment, boy? Look, 1. Oh, wait, wait. Oh, the tip's loose. That's on Travis. Everything is welded up perfectly in place. The whole exhaust is permanently welded. So before we get this car started, we have to plug in the vacuum box from Valvetronic. So we chose to put a hole right here in the back of the trunk for the vacuum line running from the Valvetronic box. So that way it can go down by the mufflers right where we need it. Got our big black hose down here. We gotta push it over the exhaust shield so that way Travis doesn't have that black hose underneath his car. We got both of the hoses on the muffler so that way we can get an open and a close and then an open and a close, and we wide it. So we took the one hose and we wide it to our Valvetronic muffler so we can open, close, open, close, open, close.
You wanna know how we open and close it?
How we wide It's been quite some time since we've heard this car run. Or after everything we've done so far, this car should be in a lot better shape than it was.
It's got no fuel.
No gas. Again, this is a common problem with this car.
It only said like 4 PSI and then it said 3 PSI.
The fuel pressure?
Yeah.
That's probably because we don't have any gas. All right, let's go get gas.
Okay.
All right, we're doing the start with the valves closed first. Doesn't sound so obnoxious anymore. That sounds sick.
The moment of truth.
Oh, whoa! That makes such a big difference.
That is now good.
Close it. Dog, that's so sick. That quieted down a lot. All right, now we're gonna open them up. It sounds so much better. Now we can actually have conversations inside of this car. We could not do that before.
I like that.
That's wild. We're gonna get a day log for the tuner now so that way we can turn it up. Because right now we're making stock Camaro horsepower and we can't be having that. So if the fuel pressure stays at 40 PSI during the whole pool, we're in good shape. Here we go. Give it to her. What it go at?
Lowest I saw was 37.
That'll work. That'll work. We finally got that last one good. Took enough time. BMW motor would have never done that.
Hey, whoa. Lowest I saw was 38, and that's good enough.
Yes, sir. Not bad for a stock Camaro power. But we decided to take the BMW back home and see if the BMW dealership themselves can figure out why we got a little funny sound going on back there.
This thing's running rough, dude. I need to get some diag time. Yeah, tech to really, dig down, figure out why it's misfiring.
This BMW 6-cylinder is running real rough. So can't see it because they're doing construction, but we're taking the BMW to the professionals. See what the fuck is going on.
Yeah, I'm trying to get this figured out because I'm stumped. I'll get to service.
We need service. You don't hear this thing running rough as ever? Let's see if this mechanics can help us out here. They've never heard a BMW come through like this. We got a little misfire.
Hello?
We got a little misfire.
Yeah, we're trying to get this
Is that
misfire
what it
fixed.
is?
Yeah, can you all figure that out for us?
Yeah, it's gonna be 231.
231?
Yep.
That's a diag fee? Oh, hell
Fuck
no.
that. Hey man, this thing got a little misfire on it.
N54, man.
You ain't never heard BMW sound like
Not a
that?
Beamer, fuck no.
It's just a little misfire.
This one?
Yeah, little misfire. Ghost cam, that's all.
I gotta hear it, all right. That shit is not real.
Here we go. See if the techs can figure out what's going on here. Are we leaking fuel?
No, my gas gauge seems to be fine. Great. Always when we're fucking far away.
The car's all the way down at 2 PSI of fuel pressure. Do you think it's actually that low though? I mean, you got a big shoulder right here. The car cut off or you hit the button?
It's back on.
The fuel pressure went all the way down to 1. But you're not leaking fuel on the side of the road with another car. We only made it 1 minute out from the BMW dealership. I don't understand. There's nothing leaking or anything.
It's all over the place.
You think it's the sensor?
Maybe like something in the pump? I don't know.
There's no leak. The pressure goes all the way down to 5. Should we at least limp ourselves to a place that's not on the side of the freeway?
Come on, dude. Please.
What's up, man? I appreciate you, man.
It's too cold to fucking leave people on the side of the road.
I appreciate that. This happens every time we're far from the shop.
Y'all got a gas can? Y'all want to ride around the corner? I mean, I got one. It's a small one, but I don't know how much gas y'all need. So.
Shit. Well, I mean, that might be enough just to get us to the gas station.
Yeah.
Can't go one video without getting stranded. So let's hope the fuel level sensor's just messed up and there's actually no gas in here. Because right now it says we have a half tank, but we have no fuel pressure. So I'm gonna go ahead and say the level sensor's messed up. I knew it. I knew it was just out of gas. Shout out my man's right here though. Saved the day. It's freezing. You know, running out of gas, straight on the side of the road, battery never stays charged, exhaust tip falling down, and let's swap the world. Maybe don't. Maybe just keep the stock motor in the goddamn car. You ever thought about that? You ever thought about that?